friend's place, trying to get my throttle tube replaced to an R6 throttle tube, because as you guys know, or some of you guys know, the R7 throttle, like the amount of travel it has, it's pretty huge. I have seen people on the R3s that have done the swap over to an R6 throttle tube, but I haven't met anybody who has done the R7 till date, so I'm kind of excited. Stop at BP, get some drinks for the buddies. Check out. This one. This one. This one. A huge shout out to Marvin who helped me out sort out the R6 throttle tube on this R7. Amazing dude, man. But yeah, I'm gonna ride this bike for a couple of days and let you know how it actually feels. But giving that aside, the throttle response on this it's pretty. I like it though. I like it. The response on this is pretty nice. Like, great response. R7 had a throttle had a little bit of slack to it, but this one, as soon as you push the throttle, man, it's going. Yeah. So the throttle response on this is insanely good. Like, this is just the way I want it to be. Like, the response is actually the way I want it to be. I would probably recommend this throttle tube, the R6 throttle tube, for all the R7 owners out there, the R3 owners. It makes a huge difference. honestly makes a really huge difference. The response it gives, it makes it a whole lot responsive. But yeah, there is literally no play. See? Whereas the other one, you can literally do this and yeah, and then you press the throttle, and by the time you reach, you're like twisting your wrist all the way. So like this is much better because just twisted with this one, and you have power. But then again, everybody has their own preference, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy with this setup. I'm gonna keep it like that. Yeah. Gonna end the video here. Been a long day for me as well. So yeah, peace out.